children. Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to the online class. So far we discussed about addition. Today let us study about third chapter of your syllabus, subtraction. Dear children, you have already learned subtracting single digit number and two digit number in your earlier class. Once let us recall what we have learned in the previous year. So, what do you mean by subtraction? Subtraction means taking away, isn't it? Subtraction means taking away or removing. So, you have learned subtracting single digit number, subtracting two digit number, subtraction on the number line, subtraction by counting backward. Let us recall once. So, subtract on the number line. Subtract on the number line. 9 minus 4 is equal to dash. So first we have to draw a number line like this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this. So while adding you are counting forward, isn't it? So here you have to jump backward. So start from the 9, okay, start from the 9 and jump 4 steps backward. Minus 4 means you have to jump 4 steps backward. So start from 9, come back 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. So 4 steps backward. So where did you reach? You have reached 5. So this is the answer. 9 minus 4 is what? 5. Okay. 9 minus 4 is 5. So like this. This is subtraction on the number line. Okay. Start from 9 and jump 4 steps backward. So where you reach, that is the answer. This is subtraction on the number line. You have also learned subtraction facts. Okay, let us see what is that. Subtracting 0. Let us see what happens when 0 is subtracted from a number. So, here you can see I have 5 pencils, okay. How many pencils are there? 5 pencils are there. And I am not removing any pencils from this group. So, I have 5 here and I am not subtracting anything from this. So, nothing means 0. Nothing means 0. Means I am not subtracting anything. So, how many pencils left here? 5 itself, isn't it? So, 5 pencils were there. And I am not removing or I am not taking any pencil from this group. Means 0. So, that is equal to, what do we get? We get same number as the answer, isn't it? How many left here? 5 itself. So, 5 minus 0 is 5. So, when 0 is subtracted from a number, we get number 5 as the, means when 0 is subtracted from any number, we get the same number as the answer. So here 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. In the same way, 23 minus 0 is equal to what? 23 itself. 46 minus 0 is equal to what? 46 itself. We get same number as the answer. So this is subtracting 0. When 0 is subtracted from any number, we get same number as the answer. Next, subtracting 1. So, I have 5 pencils here, isn't it? So, from this group, I will take away 1 pencil out. Now, how many pencils are left? How many are left? 4, isn't it? There were 5 pencils earlier and I have removed 1 from this group. Now how many left? 4. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So what is this 4? This is the one number that is just before the 5, isn't it? Before number of 5. 5 before 4. So when you remove 1 or when you subtract 1 from a number, what do we get? We get the before number. So 8 minus 1 is 8 before 7. 27 minus 1 is equal to what? 27 before 26. 35 minus 1 is equal to what? 35 before 34. So 34, like this. So when you subtract 1 from a number, we get before number. Next, let us see subtracting the same number. So I have 5 pencils here, isn't it? And I will take all 5 pencils out of the group. So there were 5 pencils earlier. Okay, 5 pencils are there. And I will remove all 5 pencils from the group. Now how many pencils are there in my hand? No pencils left, isn't it? No pencils left. Means there were 5 pencils earlier. I have taken away all the 5 pencils out. So how many pencils left? No pencils. No means 0. So 5 minus 5 is what? 0. So when we subtract a number from the number itself, what do we get? We get 0. So when any number subtracted from the same number, what is the answer? That is 0. Okay. So these are the subtraction facts. So when 0 is subtracted, we get the same number. When 1 is subtracted, we get the before number. When the number is subtracted from the same number, we get 0 as the answer. So this is what you have learnt in your earlier classes. So 5 minus 5 is 0. 25 minus 25 is what? 0. 9 minus 9 is what? 0. Like this. So this is what you have learnt in your earlier classes. Next, let us see subtraction of 2-digit numbers. Okay. Next, let us see subtract the following. Let us subtract 2-digit numbers. See, dear children, you have already learnt subtracting by drawing strokes and by counting backward, isn't it? So let us subtract these numbers by counting backward. Okay. So first, while subtracting 2-digit numbers, first we subtract the ones, isn't it? Then we subtract the tens. Okay. Always subtract ones, then subtract tens. Okay. So let us subtract 4 minus 2. So keep 4 in your mind, 2 in your hand. Okay. 4 in your mind, 2 in your hand. Here you have to count backward. Okay. So in addition you were counting forward. Here you have to count backward. So 4 minus. So 4 before is what? 4 before 3, 2. So 4 minus 2 is what? 2. 4 minus 2, 2. Next let us subtract the tens. 3 minus 2. Okay. 3 minus 2. So 3 in your mind, 2 in your hand. 3 before 2, 1. So 3 minus 2 is what? 1. So what is the answer? 12. Clear? Let us move to the second one. First let us subtract the ones. 6 minus 3. Six minus 3. Let 6 in your mind, 3 in your hand. 6 before is what? 5, 4, 3. 6 minus 3 is what? 3. Like this. Okay. Next, let us subtract the tens. 5 minus 2. So, 5 in your mind, 2 in your hand. 5 before, 4, 3. So, 5 minus 2 is what? 3. So, what is the answer? 33. Third one. 77 minus 27 is given. First, let us subtract the ones. So, 7 minus 7. So, while learning subtraction facts, you have already learned now. When any number is subtracted from the same number, what do we get? We get 0, isn't it? So, 7 in your mind, 7 in your hand. So, 7 before, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Isn't it? So, 7 minus 7 is 0. Next, let us subtract the tens. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is what? 7 in your mind, 2 in your hand. 7 before, 6, 5. So, 7 minus 2 is 5. So, answer is 50. Next, let us see 45 minus 30. So, 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0 is what? 5 itself, isn't it? When 0 is subtracted from any number, we get the same number as answer. So, 5 minus 0 is 5. Next, let us subtract the tens. 4 minus 3. 4 in your mind, 3 in your hand. 4 before, 3, 2, 1. So, 4 minus 3 is 1. What is the answer? 15. So, this is how we have to subtract 2-digit numbers. Okay. Keep first number in your mind, second number in your hand. Count backward. I hope you understood. Write all these sums neatly in your classwork. Okay. Some other sums I'll give you. Solve it on your own. Thank you.